it's day 19. Right, so it's kind of evening and I'm doing a late intro because we've basically just had a home day. It's really funny actually. Me, Stephen and B all just had showers, and me and B had a shower together and got to wash my hair, and she's been drying my hair and stuff. So it's a very topsy-turvy day, like having showers at 5 o'clock. Very odd day, but it was because Steve and I were carrying out a lot of the rubbish from the garden and trying to tidy up a bit, and basically all of the shed stuff that was in our neighbour's garden we've got into our garden now, or at least down the side, and that feels so much better. So we were feeling a bit like, you know, stinky and needed a shower, so it was good that we did that. And now we're just having a cup of tea. I've put on some baked potatoes for supper, and we just tidied so much today, so we're feeling really like cozy and everything's tidy and nice, so that was really good. All right, well, I will show you a sped up tidying and of course the advent calendars, but I think that's going to be it today. It's a very short one, but that's good for me because I needed a little editing break I think today, so yeah, that's good. And then me and Stephen can watch a Christmas movie. Yay! All right guys, see you in a bit. Enjoy it. I just set my desktop picture to Bluey Christmas. It's made me incredibly happy. I've had Bluey grannies all year so far. Yeah, that just looks really lovely and cozy, doesn't it?
And Lachlan the Queen and his best friend rolled over at the side of the audience. But Lachlan the Queen's best friend landed into the lights and he turned the lights on. And the audience couldn't see it.
Ooh.
He goes back. Lightning McQueen goes back and he turned the lights off.
Red Riding Hood. Yes, Mummy. Please could you take these buns and cakes to your grandma who lives in the woods, but stick to the path. I will, no problem. Okay. Ooh, the flowers look pretty over there, but Mummy said I must stay to the path. But I really want to see those flowers. I'll go and have a look. Dum dum dum.
A big bad wolf.
I am the big bad wolf. Dum 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 dum. I better run to Grandma's house. Dum 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 dum. I know a shortcut. I'll get there first.
Are you ready for your Are you here? Darling? Look, we're doing it in the lounge. Right, I'll put this bit on sped up. Come on.
Right, what day is it today, Boo?
It's 19. Well done. Okay, are you ready? 19th of December. What? Oh?
Is that this?
Oh, well, that's the back of it. So I'll read the front and then I'll read the back. What a cozy day it's been, tidying all your toys. But now it's time for your Advent gift. Another new surprise. Are you listening?
Oh, yes.
We don't have a fireplace of our own yet, but the Solvalians are about to. For hiding in your toy shed, the one with the pet is your warmest surprise yet, my dear, and it is just for you.
Your toy shed, the one with the pet. Have you got a shed? You might have to lift it down, darling. Oh, there you go. Let's touch that bit.
Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah, let's have a look. Would you like me to help you open it? Or have you got it? You got it. Oh, B. Now this is a working fireplace. And what a lovely mouse you've got to go with it.
Can you show me?
Should I turn it on and show you?
Does it work?
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
So it will warm all the Solvalians.
What do you think, Boo?
Yes,
Yes, please. That's
So
a
you've got a
good
little
answer.
switch on the back to turn the fire on and off.
Which one of your Solvalian houses do you think it should go in? Do you think maybe the main house? Yeah. Do you want to put it in there?
No.
No. Where do you want to put it, darling?
Oops.
I forgot there were loads of toys up there. That's where certain things were today. Oh. Okay, darling, before we start playing with Solvalians and making a mess, should we say happy 19th of December?
Happy 19th December, everyone!
Yeah! 19th mess, I love that.
If you sleep too long, your bones and muscles get weaker, and the heart slows down. We need to save them from this great danger.
All right, guys, so time for my advent calendar. Day 19. Oh, ooh. Okay. Oh yes, another really handy thing. Very, very handy. So this is hemming web. So like oh, I can't remember what the famous brand is called, but yeah, we all probably know, but I just can't think of it. I probably shouldn't say anyway. But like that. And this is Prim's version, so yes, very handy. I probably don't use this as much as I should, because actually there are so many things you can use this stuff for. Maybe now I've got, like, you know, this new version, I should use it a lot more. Which reminds me, tonight I'm finishing Bee's stocking, so yeah, the moment I feel like she's properly asleep, I'll get the sewing machine out. She's not at the moment, she's having her story. But yeah, so in that case, I better get on with it. So I will see you all tomorrow, guys. Take care. Lots and lots of love.